Pioneers, this is the standing calf raise machine. The standing calf raise works primarily the big chunky muscle in the calves called the gastrocnemius. There's also another muscle called the soleus that is also working, but it's a smaller muscle underneath that you tend to see more lower. That works more in a seated calf raise. So when we're doing this, it's important to make sure you get a full range of motion in your ankle. So I'm gonna let my heel completely drop and my heel come up completely up. Depending on your range of motion, that might look different from mine. That's okay. I'm gonna set an appropriate weight for me, depending on how many reps I can do. The calves can do more than you think. So I'll start with 130 pounds, move the pin, and then I can adjust in 5-pound increments by turning the knob. When I step into this, I'm gonna have to squat down, grab the handles, and then stand up with my heels hanging off the pad. And then I'm going to carefully and slowly, it is okay for my knees to be locked out or mostly straight, as long as I'm slow and in control. Make sure you breathe throughout the duration of the exercise. And you might have to adjust it for your height. So for me, about 5'4", I need it to be on 1 to get a full range of motion, but if I need it higher, you adjust this knob here. If that's hard for you to move with your hands, you can also step into it. And adjust the knob while lifting it with your shoulders. And that's the machine standing calf raise.